Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what are the fields available inside the declarative pipeline. Example, you are writing the declarative pipeline. What are the fields is available to use that particular Jenkins pipeline? Okay. Let's see the overview one by one. First one, inside the declarative pipeline, we have a multiple options is available. Okay, fields is available. First one is agent. Agent is nothing but where this particular Jenkins want to run. As I said, like we have two things, right? One is master node and slave node. Okay. If you want to run the particular job in slave node, you can define agent and you can give that slave node label name. Okay. If you give example, if you give agent any, it means whatever is available. For example, we have a master node and slave node. Whatever is available freely, that particular node, it will be run this particular job, Jenkins pipeline. Okay. This particular using agent, we can define where you want to run the particular job. Okay, whether you want to run a master node or whether you want to use specific slave node. Okay, and coming to the stages inside the pipeline, we are writing the pipeline tag, right? Inside the pipeline, only one stages we can define. Inside the stages, we can define multiple stage. Example stage is nothing but like clone repository. It is a one stage. Build the code. It is a one stage. Okay, it will store artifacts in nexus or Jfrog. It is a one stage. Okay, deploy in tomcat is one stage. Okay, then we send them a Slack notification, that is a one stage. We can define like that inside the stages. Remember, inside the pipeline tag, inside the declarative pipeline, only one stages will be there. Inside the stages, we can define multiple stages. Okay, and the next one is steps. Steps is nothing but inside the stage, we can define the steps. What this particular stage is going to do. Example, if you want to build the code, we can give sh space mvn deploy mvn install, right? We can define in this particular step session. Okay. Next one, we have other available direct options also. One is if you want to set the environment variables either in project pipeline level, it means entire pipeline level, or if you want to define a stage level, specific stage. If you want to define an environment variable, you can define it. Okay, in case if you want to give any input options, okay, when you give the input value, it will be run the particular stage. If you want to define like that, we can use the input. It will be in stage level only. Okay, and also if you want to define options, okay, if you can define inside the pipeline level or stage level, we can define the options inside the particular options. Okay, inside the pipeline. Next one, parallel. If you want to run the particular stages parallelly, you can use parallel option. Okay, using this option, you can, for example, you have a 2 to 3 stages will be there. First stage and second stage you want to run parallelly, you can use the parallel option to run the particular stages parallelly. Okay, and next one, parameters. If you want to pass any parameters, you can use the parameters tag. If you remember, build with parameters we are configuring, right? Same thing, if you want to define any parameters, you can use the parameter option. Next, post session. Post session is nothing but inside the Jenkins job, we have a postable actions, right? What that will do, if you want to send the notification, if you want to configure tomcat, we can use, right? Same thing here also, postable session, we can define like if you want to send the notification, this type of things we can define inside the postable session. Okay, post option. Okay, if you want to run any script, you can use the script option also. Using the script option inside the stage level, we can define that particular script option. We can run that particular script when that particular stage is executed, the script also will be executed. Okay, then tools. Tools is nothing but like if you want to define any, for example, if you want to define Maven, Gradle, Java related stuff inside the Jenkins job. Okay, we can define inside the tools configuration. Remember, when you use the tools configuration, you should be already defining global tool configuration. You have to give that particular name. Example, if you remember, we have defined inside the global tool configuration, we have defined Maven -3.8.6, right? Same thing. Okay, inside these tools directly, we can define that particular name here. What will happen when you run that pipeline? It will be pick up that particular version of that particular tool. Okay. Next one, triggers. Triggers is nothing but if you want to trigger the specific time, we can use it. If you remember, inside the Jenkins job, we have a build periodically, pollSCM, and also webhook, right? Here also same. In triggers, we have a cron tab, and second one is pollSCM, third one is upstreams. Okay, we can declare all the options inside the triggers option. We can discuss more on when condition. If the particular condition will be satisfied, if you want to send, if you want to run the particular stage, or if you want to run the particular task, we can use the when condition also. Okay, I hope understand. These are the majorly we have options is available inside the declarative pipeline. We can use all these options. We can implement our Jenkins pipeline. Okay, and coming to that, earlier I said, right, in declarative pipeline, if I see that agent, it means it is a declarative pipeline, right? Same thing. If it is a scripted pipeline, we can see the node. Okay, when you see this node, we can easy to say like, okay, this is the declarative pipeline. When you see this agent inside the pipeline tag, we can say easily it is a declarative pipeline. Okay, remember inside, again I'm telling, inside that Jenkins file, you can combine both declarative and scripted pipeline. Some of the use cases we may require to write both scripted and declarative pipeline in single Jenkins file. Some of the stages will be write a declarative pipeline. Some of the stages will be write a scripted pipeline also. Okay, got it? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.